Pop-ups are annoying. Sometimes just clicking the X to close them is difficult, or just not enough when getting overwhelmed. Let's go over some other ways to force close windows and pop-ups. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you a simple way to block future pop-ups on your Chrome web browser. Flixbolt, like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell. A quick way to shut down a window is to quickly press Alt and F4. What does Alt and F4 do? Alt and F4 is a keyboard shortcut often used to quickly close the currently active window. So let's find Alt and F4 on the keyboard. Keep in mind that all keyboards are different, however, this is generally where you will find these keys. The Alt is usually found at the bottom of your keyboard to the left of the space bar. The F4 key is usually found at the top of your keyboard. Pressing both of these at the same time will close the current window, which is generally the pop-up. This is the easiest way to rid yourself of a pop-up. Now for the more stubborn pop-ups, we may have to employ tougher tactics. When encountering more aggressive pop-ups, you might have to force close them via the Task Manager. To access the Task Manager, we have to press Ctrl, Alt and Delete, so let's find these keys on your keyboard. The Control key is usually in the bottom left corner of the keyboard and is marked by Ctrl. The Alt key from just before is once again found at the bottom of your keyboard to the left of the space bar. The Delete key can be found on the far right and may be a longer rectangular-sized key and may sometimes be marked with DEL. You will be taken to this screen where you can select the Task Manager option. Once clicked, you will see this pop-up, which is the Task Manager. This application will show every application that is open. From here, just scroll down and select your web browser. Google Chrome in this case. Then you click on Task at the bottom of the window to close Chrome. Now let's stop future pop-ups from appearing. From the Chrome web browser, you would go to the setting in the side menu. The settings can be found in the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down and click Settings. Once in Settings, let's scroll down to Site Settings. Then scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects. This is where you will find everything you need to control pop-ups and redirects. From here you can block problematic sites or allow sites that may require certain pop-ups to get through. This should help you with most pop-ups. This video was done for a small group of people I helped out recently, and I figured this may help others, so here it is. If you have other PC related topics you need help with, leave a comment, and give a thumbs up if this worked for you.